幸い. We use this when things go well, and also in polite requests. 幸い. 物事がうまくいったときに使います。丁寧なお願いにもよく使います。It is used as a not adjective, an adverb, often sentence initial, and a formal noun. In everyday talk, 幸い means fortunately, luckily. As an adjective, it means fortunate, lucky, welcome, very appreciated. As a noun, it means good fortune or a well. 偶然にいい方向へ進んだ時の言い方です。形容動詞では運が良い、ありがたいに近く、名詞では恵みの漢字です。The only kanji means happiness and good luck. You see it in 幸せ for happiness. It also appears in 幸運 for good luck. Remember this shape when you want to talk about good outcomes. Fortunately, no one was injured. 幸い、怪我はありませんでした。幸い、怪我はありませんでした。Luckily, the train came soon. 幸いにも、電車がすぐ来ました。幸いにも、電車がすぐ来ました。Luckily, the rain stopped. 雨が止んで幸いでした。雨が止んで幸いでした。If you have time, I would appreciate a reply. お時間があればご返信いただけると幸いです。お時間があればご返信いただけると幸いです。The most common synonym of the word is 幸運, which is a noun for good luck. It overlaps when 幸い describes a lucky result, but 幸い also works as an adverb and a polite, appreciated phrase. The most common antonym of the word is 不運, which means bad luck. Unlike 幸い, it points to unlucky or negative outcomes.